Okay, today we're here at Knott's Farm for the peanut celebration, and I went to Sutter's Grill and got this Chicken Parm Grilled Cheese, and it's not showing on their menu board, but it is. I've ordered this 3 times already, so it is there. We ordered this last night, but it was too dark to record it, so we just ate it. But yeah, so this is the bread is grilled, and there's a chicken patty. There's parmesan cheese on it. There's marinara, and then on the other side there's also cheese and marinara, and they're really thick slices of bread. Nice crunch to the bread. This is a really good sandwich. Let me try the chicken by itself. The chicken is pretty tender. I think they have to cook these separate from the other chicken, like tenders, because it's a different sandwich. Yeah, this is a really good sandwich. I'm gonna give it, that's right. I'm gonna give it an A+. It is really good. If you like chicken parm sandwiches, if you like, especially with like a grilled toast, this is a sandwich for you. It is on the meal plan, but since it wasn't on the signboard, I don't know how much it is if you don't have the meal plan. So figure maybe $13 to $15 or so. But it also comes with fries. Their fries are not the best, but some people like them. But this sandwich is really good. So, peanut celebration is only from January 22nd to March 6th. So you have to get this within that period. Sutter's should be open every day, so there should be no problem getting the sandwich. So yeah, this is really good. If you only get one sandwich, I would get this one so far. Anyway, so please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and then click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.